Hello. Today we are going to have our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yeah,
What's your name?
my name is Miss.
How old are you?
I'm 8.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, now let's talk about this picture. How many people are there in the picture?
Mm, 6 people.
There are?
There are 6 people.
Okay, let's count. One,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
seven. Okay, what's this?
It's a pet.
What fruit is this?
It's kiwi.
What is he eating?
It's cat.
He's eating a
Eating cake.
cake. Okay. What is he wearing?
He wearing yellow t-shirt
And
and black pants.
very good. Okay. What is he wearing?
He wearing dress
Red
red t-shirt
and
and green pants.
okay. What is she wearing?
She wearing yellow dress.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Good job. So
Hello.
today we are going to have our speaking test. Are you ready?
Go.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Chúc.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay. Now let's talk about this picture. How many people are there in the picture?
7
There are seven
people.
people. Very good. What's this?
It's kiwi.
Oh, what's this?
It's a book.
Book. Okay. What is he eating?
It's
He's
cake.
eating.
He eating cake.
Very good. What is he drinking? He's
He
drinking
drinking milk.
milk. Okay. What is he wearing? He's
He
wearing
t-shirt,
orange shirt
orange shirt
and
and uh,
black.
black pants.
Okay, what is he wearing?
He wearing t-shirt,
Red
red t-shirt
and
and green pants.
okay, what is she wearing?
She wearing yellow dress.
Okay, yellow dress. Very good. Okay.
Hello.
Today we are going to have our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Avery.
How old are you?
I'm 7.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Very good. Okay, let's talk about this picture. How many people are there in the picture?
7.
There are
7 people
in the picture.
in the picture.
Okay. Now, what fruit is this?
It's a kiwi.
Okay. What are these?
It's a fruit.
Fruits. Okay, what's this?
It's a book.
It's a book. Okay. What is he eating?
It's cake.
He's eating
He is eating cake.
cake. What is he drinking?
Milk.
He's drinking
He drinking milk.
milk. Okay. What is she doing? She's
She's
listening
to
to music.
music.
Okay. Now, what is he wearing? He's wearing
Orange t-shirt
orange shirt and
black jeans.
jeans. What is he wearing?
Wearing red t-shirt
And
and blue jeans.
very good. What is she wearing?
Is she
She's wearing
wearing yellow dress.
dress. Okay, good job.
Hello.
Today we are going to have our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Wow, what's your name?
My name Bảo Hiền.
How old are you?
I'm good.
How old are you?
I'm seven.
7. Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, let's talk about this picture. How many people are there in the picture?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people.
Wow, there are 7 people. Now, what fruit is this?
What was it? Is a kiwi.
Kiwi. Okay, what are these?
It's a
Are these fruits?
fruit.
Yes, okay. What's this?
It's a cake.
Okay. What's this?
It's a book.
Book. Okay. Now, what is he drinking? He's drinking
Milk.
milk. Okay. What is she doing? She is
She is
listening
listening
to
to music.
music. Wow, very good. What is he eating? He
Cake.
is eating
Eating cake.
cake. Very good. Okay. Now, what is he wearing?
It's a sam.
He's wearing
With áo game.
shirt
Shirt
and
and
black
black
pants.
pants.
Okay. What is he wearing? He's wearing
He wearing green t-shirt
and
and
blue
sock
jeans.
jeans.
Oh, what is he wearing?
He
He's wearing
is wearing red t-shirt
and
and
green
green
pants.
pants.
Okay. What is she wearing? She's wearing
yellow yay.
dress.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay. People are there in the picture.
7.
Okay, there are 7
Yes.
people.
People.
Okay. Okay, so what fruit is this?
Kiwi.
It's kiwi. Okay. What is this? These are fruits. Very good. What is he eating?
Cake.
He's eating a
Cake.
cake. What is he drinking?
Milk.
He is drinking
Milk.
milk. Okay. What is she doing?
She is doing.
She's listening
Listening
to
chewing
to music.
music.
Okay. Now, what's this?
Book.
It's a book. Okay. Now, what is he wearing? He's wearing
a skirt.
orange
Orange
shirt
skirt
and
and jeans.
black
Black jeans.
jeans. Okay. What is he wearing? He's
He's
wearing
green t-shirt
and
and jeans.
blue
Jeans.
jeans. What is he wearing? He's wearing
Red t-shirts and green jeans.
jeans. How about this girl? What is she wearing?
Yellow
She's
dress.
wearing
A yellow dress.
yellow dress. Okay. What's this?
cake.
It's a cake. Okay, very good. Good job.
Oh,
Today we are going to have our speaking test. Are you ready?
yes.
Very good. What's your name?
My name is Thủy.
And how old are you?
And eight.
8. Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Wow. Okay, let's talk about this.
Hello.
Today we are going to have our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. What's your name?
My name is Bảo Nguyên.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, now let's talk about the picture, okay? How many people are there in the picture?
7.
There are 7
There are 7 picture
people.
people.
Okay, now what fruit is this?
This is kiwi.
Okay, kiwi. How about this?
This are fruit.
Fruits. Okay. What is he wearing?
He wearing orange
Shirt and
and black pants.
pants. Very good. What is he eating?
This are cake.
Okay, he's eating cake. What is he drinking?
He is drinking a milk.
Milk. Wow. What is she doing?
She is doing
Listening. Listening
listening
to
children
music.
to English.
Okay, she's listening to music. Okay. What is she wearing?
She wearing yellow dress.
Yellow dress. What is he wearing?
He wearing a red t-shirt and green pants.
Green pants. How about this boy? What is he wearing?
He is wearing a green t-shirt and blue jeans.
Blue jeans. Okay. What's this?
It's a cake.
Cake. Okay, very good. Good job.
Hello.
Today we are going to have our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Bảo Lâm.
How old are you?
I'm 8.
8. Where are you from?
Uh,
I'm from.
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, so let's talk about this picture. Okay. How many people are there in the picture?
Yeah.
There are, you count 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
okay, 7. What is he wearing? He's wearing
He's wearing orange t-shirt
and
and black pants.
pants. Okay. What is he eating?
Cake.
He's eating a cake. What fruit is this?
Kiwi.
It's kiwi. What is she doing?
Music.
She's listening.
Music.
Listening to music. Okay. What is he drinking?
Why?
He's drinking
He's drinking milk.
milk. Okay. What is he wearing? He's wearing
Green t-shirt
and
blue pants.
blue pants. What's this?
He wearing
What's this? It's a
book.
book. Okay. What is she wearing? She's wearing
He wearing yellow dress.
dress. Okay, very good. Good job.